Hello, and welcome to the overview of eSpatial. The first time you log in, you'll be prompted to add data to your workspace. The Add Data window will open, and you can select to add either our sample file, your own data, or the data that you've already added to eSpatial. I'm going to add the sample file for this video. The sample file has now been transformed into an interactive map within this workspace. The workspace consists of the map, the legend, the table, the control panel, and the top toolbar. You can minimize the legend, control panel, and table, and see more of your map using the collapse buttons. Let's take a look at the map. Each point on the map represents a row from your file. The numbered circles indicate that there are multiple points or a cluster of points in this area. This 2, for example, indicates that there are 2 points in this area. I am zooming in now to show you how to expand the cluster. Use your mouse wheel or the map control icons here to zoom in and out on your map. To select a point on the map, simply click on it. An information box will appear containing all the information associated with this point. If you wish to add any of this information, click here, and if you wish to delete this point, click here. You can perform nearest neighbor and radius searches against this point, and you can also zoom to it, get directions to it, and be in Google Street View. To deselect a point, click the Close button. Now we will take a look at the legend. The legend shows all the data sets present in your map. From within here, you can turn a data set on and off by clicking the eye icon, change the color by value by selecting a different column from the drop-down, turn coloring off and on again, and also change the base map type. Let's move on to the table now. It will be minimized by default, so you will have to click the Expand button to view. The table shows your data records and results from map analysis. From within here, you can manage your table and change the columns in it along with the order. Add a chart to your map, add a new point to your map. Highlight a point on your map by hovering over the corresponding record in their table, change the color by value, sort the records in your table in ascending and descending order, and apply filters to your map and table. For example, I am now filtering by the state name to focus only on points in Minnesota, Michigan, and Iowa. To remove a filter, click the Close button. Now we're going to take a look at the control panel. The control panel allows you to add more data to your workspace and change the style of your data set in the Style by Value option. You can change the symbol style, color, and size, and also select the Style by Value option. You can style values by color, by size, or using heat maps. You can also manage the locations of your points on the map, analyze your data by adding regional heat map, bubble map, radius, or nearest neighbor analysis to your map. For example, I will now create a regional heat map of this data by U.S. states. Add routing to your map. Routes can contain up to 25 stops, including the start and finish points, and can be exported to Google Maps or as a JPEG image. You can add points to your route one by one, or add multiples at once, as I'm doing now. As you can see, an optimized route with turn-by-turn directions has been created. And I'm now saving this map for future access. A route can be exported to Google Maps where it can be accessed and shared. You can also save your current map view of as a new map for later use. This new map will open at the same zoom level, have the same styles, and also include any active filters or analysis that were present on the map at the time of saving, open any previously saved maps, share your maps with colleagues and post them to social networking sites, and print and export your maps from within the control panel. Now let's get on to the top toolbar, the final part of this video. From within here, you can change the workspace name, the map name, add address points to your map by dropping a point on the map, search for an address on the map, draw custom areas on your map, and quickly prepare territories or filter out data. Access your library where your workspaces, maps, and data are stored. Create new blank workspaces. Create new territory datasets. And access your account settings. Thanks for watching. For more detailed help, go to help@eSpatial.com or feel free to contact us through live chat or via an email to support@eSpatial.com.